Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 6. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an agriculture studies class for the students of class 6. Let's see our today's topic. It is chapter 1, CBQ number 3. I am telling you again about our today's topic. The chapter 1, CBQ number 3. Dear learners, look here. This is our lecture number 5th and homework number 5th also on our half yearly 2021 syllabus. Dear learners, so let's start the class directly with the question answer. So look here, it is written also creative questions number 3. So look here, as usual there is a STEAM and then question answer. Mr. Johir cultivates flowers, vegetables, fruits, jute, cotton, etc. in one of his fields. In the other field, he cultivates paddy, wheat, maize, etc. But for the last 2 years, he is not getting good harvest because of various problems and lack of proper advice. Last month, he visited an agriculture fair held in his district town. From there, he has gathered a lot of knowledge and experience about new agricultural technology. Now, he is using his gathered knowledge in his field and gathered good results. He is also shared his experience with his neighbor. Now, look, there are 4 questions, you know this. Number A, what are the 2 types of crops on the basis of cultivation? Dear learners, look at the answer. What are the 2 types of crops on the basis of cultivation? Answer A number. The 2 types of crops on the basis of cultivation are field crop and horticultural crops. Now question number B. What is agriculture fair? I am telling what is agriculture fair. Explain. Answer. Different kinds of fair are held at different times of the year in our country. Among them, agricultural fair is a different one. This specific fair is related to our agriculture. In this fair, different kinds of agricultural technologies are displayed. As a result, the farmers can gather knowledge about modern agricultural technologies by visiting this fair. This kind of fair plays an important role in the development of our agriculture. Okay. Now look at the questions number C. How Mr. Jahir used his experience to solve his problem? Explain. Now, dear learners, to have an answer of these questions, we need to go to next page. So look here, Mr. Johir is a skilled farmer. He always used to get good harvest. So look here, he always uses to get good harvest from his field. But for the last 2 years, he is not getting good harvest. He was very much worried. But his gathered knowledge from an agricultural fair which he visited last month helped him in this regard. From the fair, he has learned about the modern agricultural technologies. He has also consulted with the agriculturalist about his problems. Moreover, he has taken some books and leaflets containing advices about different agricultural problems at home. After reading those materials, he has been able to solve the existing problems in his field very easily. Now he is getting good harvest from his field again. Now look at the questions number D. This is our last questions. Analyze the results of Mr. Jahir's exchange of experience with his neighbors. Now look at the answer number D. The farmers who are experienced always think about the well-being of agriculture as a whole. Mr. Jahir is also not different from this. After gathering information or experience from the fair, he uses it is not only for his own benefit but also for the other farmers. When Mr. Jahir saw that he is getting good harvest by using his gathered knowledge, he exchanged it with his neighbors through a yard meeting. After that, his neighboring farmers started using the same method in their field. They used modern agricultural technologies like Mr. Johir. As a result, they also got a positive result. In this way, Mr. Jahir inspired his neighbor to get good harvest. So look at the conclusion. Therefore, it can be said that the exchanging of experience or information among the farmer is a very productive process. It can enhance our agricultural productions. Dear learners, look at the last segment. This is our homework segment, and it is our 5th number homework, and you will do your homework CBQ number 3, that means this one, and only C and D. Only C and D you will do as your homework. C and D. These two will be your homework. Dear students, I hope that you have understood the CBQ or creative questions number 3 properly. Please do your homework properly and finally submit it properly also. Finally, see you again inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.